Catitopia, a gentle world of Meowditation. Let the calm begin. Welcome. In this part of our beginner Meowditation series, we'll explore something simple but powerful: breathing. Maybe you've tried different breathing exercises before, but here, we'll keep it light and easy. You don't need to do anything special. Just listen and let yourself relax. Breathing is not only for meditation sessions, it's a part of every moment of our lives. With mindful breathing, we can calm the mind, relax the body, and bring gentle peace inside. In today's practice, we'll simply feel the breath, notice its gentle rhythm, and let it guide us into stillness. Now, if you're ready, slowly find the position that feels most comfortable. You may sit upright, cross-legged, or simply lie down, whatever brings you comfort. Let your hands rest. Gently close your eyes. Take a soft breath in and slowly let it out. Once more, inhale gently. Exhale. Feel the air entering your nose. Cool, fresh. Passing through your throat. Filling your chest. Your belly rises and slowly falls. Imagine the breath moving through your body, from your head to your shoulders, flowing down your arms, into your hands, moving through your chest, your belly, down into your legs, reaching your feet to the very tips of your toes. If thoughts arise, let them be. They're just passing clouds. Breathe naturally. Let it flow on its own. Notice how each inhale gently awakens your body, and every exhale softens you. Feel this dance of breath between quiet energy and gentle release. Just notice. Just be. Stay here for a few more breaths. Notice how you feel now. Does your body feel lighter or maybe heavier? Are there relaxed spaces or some tension still holding on? Which parts of you felt the breath the most? Just noticing is enough. Nothing to fix, nothing to change. I hope you feel calmer, a little more peaceful. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers. Move your shoulders and softly open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. May your day be filled with ease and gentle breaths. Until we meet again, stay calm, stay kind, and keep purring. Well done. We've just completed a Meowditation. Together, I'm truly grateful we shared this piece. A blink of love just for you. You have given this moment to yourself, a gentle step into a softer life. Stay stretched and keep purring.